Hello guys, this is Saiful. Welcome back again. Today we'll discuss about the control flow statements. The control flow statements is very important part for the programming. This is very important because the all condition, all the program flow, the control, all things that depends on the control flow. Okay, if we use the control, then we can write the program the perfect way. If this condition work or not working, it's the depend on the control statement. Okay, let's get started. What is the control statements? Control statement enable us to specify the flow of program control, that is the order in which the instruction in a program must be executed. That means which program we need to. That means if we use any condition or not use any condition, it should be checked. Okay, if we use the condition, then if check true or false, then it will be executed. Okay, they make it possible to make decision. If the condition is true or not true or false, then it will make a decision to perform tasks repeatedly or jump from one section of code to another. Okay, we'll understand after showing the example or the syntax. Okay, let's carry on. There are two types of control statements. Number one is a conditional program flow statement, and the another one is unconditional program flow statement. The conditional program flow statement, there are four types of conditional program flow statements: if, else, if, else, and another one is a switch case. And the if, else statements, the syntax. The first one is if, second one is if, else, third one is if, else. First one is only one condition. Second one, if condition true, otherwise, if not true, then otherwise else. Number three, if the condition is true, then it will execute. Not true, then another condition will check, else if another condition false, then it will go to the else. Okay, the switch case statement, this is a very simple thing. We use the switch case like a case system. Okay, we will pass an expression, then check the case value 1, is it true, or if it's match with the expression, then it will print or work. Okay, then it will break the switch case statement. Okay, if not work, then it will check another case value like this. After the end of the section, if anyone not working, the default value will work. Okay, unconditional program flow statement. Value some unconditional program flow statements: for statement, while statement, and do while statement. Another two is the continue and go to. Okay, what is the syntax of for, while, do while statement? Syntax of for. First one is for initialization. We will define a value for number 1 or 2, 0. Okay, then we'll use a condition, then we'll use the increment or decrement. Okay, if the all thing is perfectly work and everything is okay, then it will go to the statement, it will print something. And another one is a while condition. If we check a value 1 to 5, okay, that means while the condition, when before false, it will while. Okay, it will running. Another one is do while. Do while is, first of all, we will define a value, that is the statement. If after, then we will use the while condition. First one is do, second one is while. The statement, first of all, it will print the statement, then it will check the condition. That is the do while syntax. Thank you very much.